Alright, so in this video I got a bunch of random stuff in the last couple weeks. I figured I'd just do a haul video and show you guys most of it all in one video. I have done individual videos on quite a few of these, so some of these things you've already seen, but some of them you haven't, so I figured why not, let's do it. Let's go ahead and get in the video. What is going on, guys? Hes here at CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys, check the link in the description and it'll take you over to my website. I post deals from like Nike, Adidas, Foot Locker, Champ Sports, East Bay, all those type of sites. Anyway, the first thing though that I got right here, Elon Musk t-shirt, ridiculous, so funny. Got it from the Network app. I've been a fan of Tesla for quite a while now. In fact, I actually rode in the first Roadster years and years ago, and my friend picked me up at my house who went out in the Roadster, and I was like, this is ridiculous. Anyway, I wish I bought into the company then, because now it would have been worth a crap ton. Luckily, I still have a little bit of stock in that company, but man, it would have been crazy to have as much if I would have jumped on it earlier. It is what it is, though. Tesla, I think, is one of those companies that is going to be really, really big in the future. And this might be one of my favorite shirts that I bought this year. I don't know what's in this big box right here, and I am dying to see, so let's just go ahead and open this one first. Gotta get my butterfly out for this one. Okay. Man, Reebok showing me some more love here. Looks like another Reebok box. Alright. This is why I have a disaster room, because I just throw everything everywhere. Let's open and see what they sent together. Sent you another classic Legacy. Hey, alright. So they already sent me one of these, which is dope. I have the white pair already, but I was just saying how much I actually really liked this sneaker model, and they actually sent another pair, so this is kind of rad. This is the previous version that they sent already, which is gray and white, and now they have this blue and white and yellow colorway. Really like the new model, and the price point of these are crazy good. 80 bucks on a pair of these, brand new. Not too bad at all. Has that retro futuristic vibe to it with a little chunky midsole, comfortable shoe, raw edge on the tongue. These things are dope, man. Thank you to Reebok. I can't believe you guys sent me another pair. I had no idea. In fact, if you guys actually want this pair, I'll give it away in this video. It is a men's 9.5. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is drop a like on the video, leave any comment in the comment section, and use that hashtag #WriteYourLegacy, and then I'll just choose a random winner in like a week and comment back to you and let you know that you won. And then I'll ship these off to you guys. So hopefully somebody gets this one that is a size 9.5, or can re-gift them to somebody that is a 9.5. But thanks again to Reebok for sending this one. I actually really like this colorway, but I'd rather just give you guys a pair since I don't need two of them right out the gate. But they do have a bunch of other colorways, so it's definitely worth checking them out. Some other things that I got, finally ended up getting some Travis Scott shipments. I'm still waiting on like the Nerf gun and some other things, but I got some vinyl records here. And if you didn't know, Kaz actually designed the album covers right here, so that's kind of dope. And then also this creepy looking one. I don't even remember buying these. I bought them so long ago, but they finally shipped. This one shipped though super fast though. They got the face mask. It's a Travis Scott face mask right here. So I could do this. Imagine having to do videos like this. Anyway, got this, the Travis Scott face mask with the Cactus Jack logo on the side. Surprising that they would release a brown mask and have it not match the shoes, but it is what it is. Also did an unboxing of these if you guys missed it, but this is my Nike ID Air Max 1 Panda version, and I did the little hits of green on it. Really like the way these came out, man, and I love the Air Max 1. I wish I got these a half size up, because I probably should have got size 10. 9.5 of the old retros for some reason fit me a little too snug, so I like the extra room. But like the way these came out. If you guys missed that unboxing, I compared them to my Air Max 90s as well. So go check out that video if you missed it. I got these socks right here that I recently made. My friend Lena actually came over to the house, stayed with me and the family for a couple days, and we made some tie-dye stuff together and played with the kids.
Who got that for you?
Lena.
No way.
Yeah.
She got it for Maddie.
No.
It's for you?
No, Matt got Peppa.
Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Did you give her a hug?
Thank you.
Oh, thanks, Harrison. It's from his.
It was a lot of fun. We actually went peach picking as well. My wife actually thought of that for us to do and had like super fun doing that. But anyway, we made some ice dyes, and this is a new pair that I made, which is exactly the same as some of the other ones that I've done. But it will actually go really well with this shoe right here. I did a video already of these comparing to the fake pair, but I figured I'd just show it to you guys since I have you guys attention in this video right here. And these are the Ben & Jerry Nike SB Chunky Dunkies. And this is an authentic pair that I bought. I paid $1,500 on StockX for a pair of these. Crazy price point, but I really wanted them. And the reason why I bought these is because it was actually a birthday present for myself. My birthday was in August. So I have 2 rental houses actually. Both of my previous houses before this one. And both of them actually were vacant like in July and beginning of August. So I was freaking out. Like I wanted to make sure that we had tenants for those before I splurged and bought myself something. As soon as we got the tenants, I ended up buying a pair of these. So I was pretty stoked. Definitely something I don't want to get in the habit of doing, but sometimes you got to pay to play. And this is one of those shoes that I knew once I saw the first images of them. Personally, I was like, I know I'm going to have to buy that shoe at resale, whatever that price is. I'm going to have to like pony up and do it if I'm going to want to own that shoe. And this is just one of the shoes that I really wanted to own, which is why I made the decision to buy them. So the reason why I show you the socks, I thought these would go perfectly together because obviously these tie-dyes are kind of the same sort of color vibes as these. And so yeah, I really like these Chunky Dunkies, and I got a bunch of different like crazy socks to go with them because I've made a lot of crazy different socks now. So that is the Chunky Dunkies right here. In a super fun transition, we have these little Stride Ride shoes right here for the little girl. So my wife actually bought these for Maddie, and I don't know if this is just all Asian babies or not, or just my kids, but my kids have the chubbiest little feet, like little club feet. They definitely get it from me, not my wife. But Stride Ride actually has these wide foot friendly sort of shoes, and Maddie can get her feet in these really easy, and there's no real lacing system going on, just Velcro, so we can slip them on her feet real easy. So my wife must have found these on sale and got some pink ones, and got a couple pairs of these right here. So this is what you guys came here to see. I'm positive of it. But there we go. All right, next up we got this fancy box. Thank you, Amazon, for this. And it says right here that this item has been repackaged because the original box was damaged in transit. So thanks for ruining my shoes. But I have a review of these. I don't know if it's going to be up before I show you guys this video, but this is a Hydro Moc from Merrell, and it really looks like a love child between the Crocs and the foam runners. And so shout out to you guys that mentioned these because I really wanted to try them out and give them a go. So these things are just crazy looking though. I really like the look of them overall. They're definitely some odd looking shoes, but if I'm going to step up my gardening game, you know, I mean, I might as well get something fancy like these. These are $50 too, not terribly priced in my opinion for what you get. Comfortable, and I'll have some more on this if I haven't posted it already. I also got some Fear God Converse here. As you can see, the Essentials box. I picked these up. I actually posted them when the restock happened, but they had a restock of these on Converse site. So the black pair was gone, but this like cream colorway was still available. So I pulled the trigger and bought a pair of these. These were 100, I think these were like $110. Leather tongue, actually. I didn't realize that this side was leather. Canvas upper, and then you could see the little extra piping around the midsole. It's kind of nice and shiny. And then it does say Essentials Fear of God on the back section of the shoe. So kind of overpriced for a pair of Chucks, but it's the Fear of God branding and the double set of laces, I guess, that you get with that. All in all, if you're into something a little bit more hyped up, this is a nice way to go. You can have like that classic look, but obviously with the Fear of God branding. So I picked those up for fun also. And then the last one, I already showed you guys right here. It's an Adidas box. I got these early from Finish Line. They don't drop on Adidas quite yet. The end of the month or the beginning of September, I think they drop. I don't even know when they're dropping on Adidas site though. But these are the X9000LRs, or I don't know what that even means. Regardless, it's a cool looking pair of Adidas Boost shoes. Really like the aggressive design of these. The color blocking is really dope, especially this one with the crazy pinks all over the place. I think it's a wild and flashy looking shoe. And I was definitely glad to be able to grab a pair early. Went back and checked and they were all gone. So they do drop on the first for those looking. But yeah, that is another one. And that's kind of the haul for this week, man. I just had a bunch of random stuff. Hopefully you guys don't mind me doing these videos. It's kind of just random to do. But yeah, this channel is pretty much random. It's all sneakers, but random content nonetheless. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, drop a like on the video so I can keep making these random videos. But have a good one. We'll hopefully see you back for some more sneaker videos very soon. Check out my channel. Check out some of my other videos if you haven't thus far. And subscribe if you guys want notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. But have a good one. Peace, guys.